Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. In this video, I will show you and also tell you how you can send high-quality photos in Facebook Messenger application. Friends, please don't forget to put your likes under the video. Be sure to write your comments after watching and also subscribe to our channel. So, dear friends, let's get started. I will say right away that for many people it can be a problem, difficulty or worry how to send photos to Facebook Messenger application so that they do not lose their quality and do not shrink. And now I'm going to show you a very simple method on how you can do that. So, open the Facebook Messenger app and then, friends, go to the conversation you want to have. And now you'll need to click on this sign right here. Photos. Now allow gallery access if you don't have it enabled already. Next, so that you can send the photo in good high quality without compressing it, first click on the HD option. And as you can see, when the option is enabled, you can start selecting photos. You can select multiple of them. Once you select the photo you want, just click Send. So as you can see, all the photos will be in HD quality. And when your contact opens it, you can see that the quality of the photo, it's not ruined. So this is the very simple method. You can easily send any photos without losing their quality in Facebook Messenger app. I really hope, friends, that this video was useful and helpful to you. Please don't forget to leave your likes, comments, and subscribe to our channel. Goodbye.